Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar charts. As you can see in today's trading session, gold hasn't really moved. We currently find ourselves trading at 1734, pretty much the same level where we were trading at during yesterday's video. I think here we're just trying to build up, a nice base here down at the 1700 level, and then eventually we will build up and trade up towards 1750. That was my end of the week target. Looks unlikely that we're about to achieve it unless tomorrow brings a wild swing towards the upside where we can rally roughly 16 points. But, going into next week, I still anticipate a move up towards 1750. And I think it makes sense to go to 1800 in the medium term as well. The only issue with that is that we have the 50-day EMA in between 1750 and 1800 up at 1775. So we will need to get a daily close above there to then trigger 1800. But I am a buyer in the gold markets. If you've been watching my videos for some time, you'll know that I currently have a buy position down at 1700 and at 1720. So both of those positions are now trading in profit, which is fantastic. RSI, we briefly dipped below 30 a few weeks ago when we had that sell-off when the 10-year yields were rising. Since then, we've bounced back rather nicely. Currently find myself trading above 40. I'll give that a circle now on your screens in front of you. That's where we bounce off the oversold territory. So, we have plenty of territory still to run towards the upside until we're considered to be overbought. So, that favours a move up towards 1800. There's also rumours that Joe Biden is about to announce a $3 trillion infrastructure plan to create jobs and to kind of, give the economy that injection of steroids that it needs, that boost to get the employment figure back to where it was prior to the pandemic and the global recession. So I'm still very bullish here in the gold markets. I still believe there's plenty of money to be spent, not just by the Fed, but also by the US government. And that, of course, devalues the US dollar. And when you devalue the US dollar, typically gold rallies as it is the reserve global currency. So I'm a buyer here, no interest in selling. Even if we were to break down from here, 17 to 1680 is a supportive area. And I wouldn't be willing to sell gold until we break below the monthly swing lows down at 1680. If we got a daily close, around 1650, then I would be a seller, and then I think you could look for a move down towards 1600 and then eventually 1500. But for now, I remain bullish here on the gold market.